This is Grade 3, Module 2, Lesson 13, and the objective in this lesson is to round 2 and 3-digit numbers to the nearest 10 on the vertical number line. So let's take a look at number 1, and I have number 1, A through F on the screen here. And it says round to the nearest 10. Use the number line to model your thinking. So the first one, A, is 43, is about, well, if you look at the number line, we have 40, and then 50, the midpoint is 45. 43 falls below that midpoint, so it's closest to 40. Okay. So the next one, B, 48, well, 48 is between 40 and 50. The midpoint is 45, and 48 is above the midpoint. So let me just write 48 here. So it's closer to 50. 73 is between 70 and 80. The midpoint is 75. 73 is below the midpoint, so it's closer to 70. 173, and remember we're rounding to the nearest 10, so 173 falls between 170 and 180. The midpoint is 175, and 173 falls below the midpoint, so it's closer to 170. And then 189 is between 180 and 190. The midpoint is 185, and 189 is above the midpoint, so that's closer to 190. 194 is between 190 and 200. Midpoint is 195, and 194 is right below the midpoint, so it rounds to 190. Okay? We're going to look at question number 3, and number 3 reads, the garden club plants rows of carrots in the garden. 1 seed packet weighs 28 grams. Round the total weight of 2 seed packets to the nearest 10 grams. Model your thinking and use the number line. Okay, so there's my number line. I have 1 seed packet weighs 28 grams. Well, we want the weight of 2 seed packets. So 2 seed packets would be 28 plus 28, or 28 times 2. Okay, and that would be 56 grams. Now, we're going to round that total. So 56 is between 50 and 60, the midpoint being 55. So 56 would be right about here. So 56 is above the midpoint, which means it's closer to 60. So 56 grams is about 60 grams.